Can we work it out? Only time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, married with 2 kids, and today I bring you another video. Yes, this is not the first video I filmed today. Probably you'll still see me with the same clothes. Yes, I filmed 4 videos today. I could have made it a video, but nobody has time. Human being has 0 patience. I think our patient time is just 2 seconds. So that is why I can't make this video a long video. I had to do different topics on different videos. So you might probably be seeing the same clothes in 4 of the videos I'm going to post anytime soon. Please bear with me. We're trying to make things wrong, right? And in today's video, basically, we're just going to be talking about normal things you know, and normal things you see, and what they mean in Igbo language. Yes, the house you're living in, what it is called, or the door, what it's called, just normal regular things around you. It's just a quick run video, and we're going to be starting with
Getting sick of all the small town talking. Getting sick.
Olo. That house you're living in, a house is Olo. A house, Olo. A house, Olo. A house, Olo. You can say Ono. Remember I said Igbo has different dialects. If you say Olo, if you say Ono, it all means the same thing. So that house you're living in is Olo or Ono. Olo, house. Olo, house. Olo, house. Let's go back to the second one. An office. Olo, oro. An office. Olo, oro. You can say uno, oro. You can say olo, oro. You can say uno, oro. The one that is easier for you now, it all means the same thing. An office is uno, olo, ulo, oro. And the next one is a church. That church you go to worship and praise your God. Do you know what it is called in Igbo? It's called ulo oka. Ulo oka. Uno oka. Ulo oka. A church. Ulo oka. A church. Ulo oka. And the next one is a school. Ulo akwụkwọ. A school. Ulo akwụkwọ. Ulo akwụkwọ. Unu akwụkwọ. A school. Ulo akwụkwọ. A school. Ulo akwụkwọ. And the next one is a library. Oba akwụkwọ. A library. Igbo is very simple. Because libraries are stocked with books, right? And we keep our yarn in a barn, which in Igbo is called Oba. So it's basically, I think Oba is basically where you store something. And because a library is full of books, different books stored there, right? So it's Oba. And the book is Akoko. So a library is Oba Akoko. Oba Akoko. A library. Oba Akoko. A library. Oba Akoko. A library. Oba Akoko. And the next one is a court. That place you go to settle your matter. I don't pray to be there. I'm not going to settle any case with anybody. Can I hear you say amen? Can I hear you say amen? But let me just tell you the meaning, in case you want to know. You should know. A court. Ulo ikpe. Ulo ikpe. Ulo ikpe. A court. Ulo ikpe. Next one is prison. Ulo nga. Prison. Ulo nga. Prison. Ulo nga. And the next one is hospital. Ulo ogu. Hospital. Ulo ogu. I think this name was derived from medicine. The tablet, the medicine you take is ogu. And a house is ulo. So hospital is a house that has medicine inside. A house that has drug inside. I told you it's very simple. A house that has drug inside is hospital, right? So it's all ogu. It's what it is. It's ụlọ. A hospital is ụlọ ọgwụ. Hospital, ụlọ ọgwụ. And bank is ụlọ akụ. We all love bank, right? Where we save our money. Do you know what it is called? It's called ụlọ akụ. A bank. Ụlọ akụ. A bank. Ụlọ akụ. A media house is called ụlọ mgbasa ozi. 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 That is basically it. This brings me to the end of this video. This is the last video I'm going to shoot today. I shot 4 videos today. Can you give me an accolade? Can you just give me an accolade? All for you guys, right? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it as well, and don't also forget to like it. Please like this video, share it so YouTube can recommend it to so many people, and please save in your watch letter, visit consistently, and trust me, you're gonna do so well. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. You have a lovely day. Bye.